Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here once again at Float Arts by Elsa. So before we begin our next video, I want to show you the dry piece from my previous painting. Now, the ones that had the little dog bones, I'm going to show you that at the end of this video. And it's going to be all ready with the name, ready to go. I already actually handed those off to my clients. They loved it. If you wish to order one, just email me at elsasgallery@gmail.com. So before we begin, I am going to show you the moon painting piece that I've been working on. I've been coming in now that it's dry with my paintbrush, and I've been tweaking little things here and there, putting in more details, and I'm sure this is not ready. It's sitting over there on my art easel where I continue to just like work on it, but I do want to show you how far it's come along. So here she is, and look how beautiful is that. How cool is that? I am so happy because this just opens up a door for so many other things for me to try. Tell me what you think about this beauty. It does have a lot of shimmer. It is gorgeous. I'm super happy with this one. I can't wait to see what else I create with this method or technique. And I can't wait to show you. So we're going to continue working on this. I'm going to set it aside for a little bit. I am adding a top coat of resin once I'm done. I'm not done with it yet. If you're interested in this piece, email me at elsasgallery@gmail.com. It is available for purchase. Okay, sorry everyone. So, like I said, the dog bones are going to be at the end of this video. I am super happy. Tell me if you guys have any color palettes you want me to try. Today we're working on a smaller canvas. It is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I'm trying out a different color combo. I can't wait to show you. So without further ado, meet me down at the canvas. Okay, so again, before I begin, we are using and repurposing a canvas I have sitting here because we can. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the colors that we're going to be working with today. And then we will go ahead and flood. So my first color is going to be, so I have it here. It's Titanium Buff Light by Amsterdam. That color I have in my squeeze bottle. Okay, let me give it a shake. So that's my first color. My second color here is a color I mixed up. And look how gorgeous that color is. Love it. I don't know what this color would be called, but I don't know if you can see that. So that is my color. So we're going to go ahead and flood the canvas. And I'm thinking this one's going to go up like this. Love this color. Okay. And then the Titanium Buff. Let me torch it out a little bit. And spread this out first. Okay. And then I do see something here. And here. Okay. And now I'm going to do the Titanium Buff Light. Just kind of like pouring down a bead so that I can now flood easier. Okay. I love how those colors look. I'm not sure how it's going to look with the, you know, color combo I have for the top, but we'll see. Let's torch it out. All right. So now, my colors are, hold on, I gotta torch it out a little more. There's a lot of bubbles here. Okay, so my first color is Deep Turquoise by Winsor & Newton. And I'm gonna kind of zigzag here. Just like that. Maybe a little more. Okay. I love the color combo. Next color I have Metallic Violet by Amsterdam. Love that color. This is one of their new colors. Next, I have Indigo by Amsterdam. This is the Expert Series. Look how beautiful that color is. So a little bit of indigo. Now I have some Pearl Glacier Blue by Arteza. And I don't know about the colors. I'm getting very nervous now. I'm very nervous about this color combo. But you know what? We're going to continue. We got to be brave and finish it off. Maybe it turns out beautiful and we love it. And last, I have Olive Green Deep by Amsterdam. And you know what? I'm going to add a little bit of 24 karat gold by DecoArt. So a hint of 24 karat gold. Just a little bit for some cells. Okay. And I'm going to come back in with a little more turquoise, deep turquoise by Winsor & Newton. Just so we could get that on top. Okay, so those are my colors. I'm gonna go ahead and torch out the air bubbles once again. And we're gonna go ahead and begin. Oh, wow. I absolutely love this. Look how gorgeous she's turning out. I love it. I love it. I love it. I don't think there's anything. Oh, look at this beautiful cluster right here. Absolutely beautiful. So there's nothing I'm going to do here. I'm just going to clean up my sides. And as you can see, on the titanium buff side, I'm going to have to come in once it dries and use my paintbrush and kind of like go from the jar directly, because that color, the painting that was underneath is coming through. But that's okay, because once it dries, I can clean it up and make it look very, very nice. So the sides, you're just gonna dab your finger in the paint that's on the table, and you go around your sides and you make sure that you cover anywhere where the paint dripped and it didn't hit the canvas. So that's all I mean when I say I'm gonna clean up my edges. It's just, I don't know if you can see it here, just dipping your finger in the paint and coming and just dabbing the side of the canvas wherever you see that there was in coverage. And do that on all your sides. I love this color palette. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead, make sure I clean the drips on the sides because that pulls your paint design down. And once that is done, I'm gonna bring you in for a close-up. We'll be right back. So here she is, and look how gorgeous she turned out. I'm gonna come in and show you. Oh, wait, let me turn off. Oh, you know what? I'll show you here. Look how beautiful those colors work together. I love, this is my favorite part. Look at those clusters. Tell me what you think about this beauty. Absolutely gorgeous blowout. I love how these colors work together. I'm so happy I added the little bit of 24 karat gold that I did. Let's go in here. Look at this. Look at those ginormous clusters. The cell reaction. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that right there. A little bit of webbing. Look at this petal. Gorgeous. Absolutely a beautiful piece. Tell me what you guys think about this one. Leave your comments in the section below. Tell me if you think, look at the blowout. Absolutely beautiful. I'm super, super happy with this one. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to sign up, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your subscription, your support. Give it a thumbs up, comment, like. It helps my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here at Float Arts by Elsa. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.